Hello everyone, welcome to Cadd Nest. This is Amsa. Today I am going to explain about roof. So for that, go here, roof option. We have 6 methods. Today I'll explain 2 methods. Okay, now first one is roof by footprint. For that we need to go for the level 2. So you just click here, level 2 option, floor plan level 2. And then you can go to select by roof. Roof by footprint, you just click here wall directly. Then click the arrow mark for the outside projection. Okay, now if you need to change the angle means that is also possible. Okay, then give finish. Then go to 3D view. See, your roof is ready. Okay, now in that have some editings. I'll show you now. Select the roof and go to the edit footprint, and then select this one and this side. I don't want both side for the roof, so that's what I selected the both. Then just uncheck this, then give finish. See now, so like this, if you need like this roof means this is the procedure. Okay, now and then I'll tell you one more method. Delete this, go to level 2, just select the roof by footprint. Here I just select the directly rectangle. In that is offset is 1 feet. It means each side I need 1 feet. So that's what, from this corner to this corner. Okay, now then give finish. Then go to 3D view and check it. See, our roof is ready. And then select the roof. Here arrow mark is appear, no? You just click and drag down or drag up, your wish. Okay, now then select edit footprint. Here for example I don't want this slope. Select, then define slope off, then give finish. See what will happen, only one side will be open. Okay, now for example I need to close this open. For that, select this wall. Here we have attach top and base option. Attach top, this top. See, here it is attached. Okay, I'm going to delete this roof because I need to explain one more. That's what, roof by extrusion. So see, roof by extrusion we need to use only in 3D view. 2D view it can't be appear. Okay, now select the roof extrusion. Here it shows like work plane. I'm going to select the PK plane option. Okay, front view is my plane. Then here it's asking roof reference level and offset level to yes, or else you just give a offset also, that is your wish. Now I'm going to give the level 2. Then okay, here you just go to the work plane view. For example, this is our work plane now, that's what I'll go for the front view. Okay, then you just make your required design. For example, I'll make some design over here. This is my roof. Then you just give the finish. See, your roof is ready. Then little bit tilt, then select this wall, attach top. So that's it. Now if you need to edit the thickness means go to edit type. Here edit, edit, you just change the thickness. For example, I'll give the 6 inches thickness. Then okay. then okay. See, the thickness will be changing now, then give finish. This is the procedure for roof. I think now you can understand roof by footprint and roof by extrusion. Thank you for watching this session. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the updated notifications.